In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem game codes on Steam. If you've just picked up a game key and want it safely tied to your Steam account, I'll walk you through the official process from start to finish so nothing gets lost along the way. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account where you want the game to live. A quick note before we begin. Keep your internet connection stable, and if Steam asks to update, let it finish so the activation window runs smoothly. Once Steam is open, look to the top of the window for the menu bar and click the Games option. This drop-down menu is your gateway to all things activation. From here, select Activate a Product on Steam. This launches Steam's built-in activation wizard. It's the only place you should ever enter a Steam product code, which helps protect your account and your purchase. A welcome screen will appear. Click. Next to continue, Steam will then show you the Steam subscriber agreement. Take a moment to skim it if you'd like. You'll need to agree to the terms to move on. Click the option to agree so you can proceed. Now you'll see the field where you enter your product code. Your code is usually a set of letters and numbers, often separated by hyphens. You can type it in or paste it directly. Just be careful with common mix-ups like O versus 0 or I versus 1, and make sure there are no leading or trailing spaces if you copy and paste. Some keys are region locked or tied to specific editions, so it's normal if a message mentions those details. When you're ready, click Next. Steam will quickly validate the code. If everything checks out, the game is instantly added to your library. If the key happens to be for downloadable content, it will attach to the base game in your library rather than appearing as a separate title. If you already own the product, Steam will let you know and won't duplicate your purchase. If the code is invalid or has already been used, Steam will display an error so you can double-check the characters or contact the retailer. To see your new content, open your library in Steam. Your redeemed game should appear in the list, ready to install. From here, you can start the download right away or come back later. Your license is permanently linked to your account. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to the Games menu, activate a product, agree to the terms, enter your code, and click Next to finish. Enjoy your new game and happy playing.